I'm sure you've heard the news, but have you explored the ultimate woodworking plan collection yet? With Ted's Woodworking, you're stepping into the largest library of woodworking plans on the planet. Yes, you heard it right. 16,000 meticulously detailed plans, all at your fingertips. Imagine creating beautiful furniture, intricate toys, or even ambitious outdoor structures. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just picking up a hammer for the first time, Ted's Woodworking makes it all possible. Each plan comes with step-by-step instructions, comprehensive materials lists, and detailed schematics. It's like having a master craftsman guiding you every step of the way. Feeling overwhelmed by the choices? Don't be. Our user-friendly search and filter options make finding your perfect project a breeze. Plus, with lifetime access and regular updates, you'll always have fresh inspiration. But don't just take our word for it. Thousands of woodworkers have turned their dreams into reality with Ted's Woodworking. From beginners building their first birdhouse to experts crafting heirloom furniture, our plans are designed to bring out the best in you. So why wait? Dive into the world of Ted's Woodworking and unlock your creative potential today. 16,000 plans, infinite possibilities. Ready to get started? Visit Ted's Woodworking now and embark on your woodworking adventure.